Looking for a spot that serves great food? Welcome to Café de Notre Dame, where every dish is made with love and every moment is made special. The cafe is open daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. except Tuesdays. Find them at Trafalgar Square, Zone 15, Talisay City, Negros Occidental. For reservations and inquiries, just message the Café de Notre Dame Facebook page. What are you waiting for? Book now and enjoy Café de Notre Dame.
Good afternoon, guys. We're here at Café de Notre Dame and we are here with Miss Prexy, and we will ask a few questions about their hiring and staffing practices. So question number 1. Miss Prexy, how do you hire employees?
Okay, first, I prefer I hire the employees na meron siyang good attitude. Number 1 is the attitude for hiring the staff, attitude. Kasi bakit? Ang attitude is the number 1. Kung hindi maganda ang attitude, hindi mag-work ang team. So, mas madali i-train, madali ang mga empleyado pag okay ang attitude yun. Number 1 is the attitude. Kaya kung may attitude problem, wala na yan. It's not a perfect teamwork. Ganun.
Number 2, what are your techniques in screening candidates?
Okay, so the techniques is just be patient lang pag nag-train ka sa mga staff or sa mga employees mo. Then train them properly. Then secure mo lang lagi. At lagi mo i-emphasize sa kanila ang pag-training is the part, or kung papagalitan ka sa part of motivation para matuto ka ma-reach mo yung mission mo kung paano gusto mo yun sa trabaho mo. At least pag na-train mo naman sa yan, magiging okay at ang flow. Ang teamwork magiging okay kita. So dapat lahat ng behave naman syempre ang staff nila. So you have to follow kung anong situation. Dapat merong do's and don'ts, dapat pilihan mo yan. So explain ng do's and don'ts para at least may rules kayo dito. That's the rules. So you have to follow the rules para ang staff magiging okay flow.
Thank you, Miss. Now, question number 3 is, how do you empower your employees?
So for our empower the employees, ako simple lang eh. Dapat command ka lang, follow the rules na always. Kaya pag once the rules mo is loose, empower mo na ang imo. Tapos dapat maintain mo as in charge ka or manager na meron ka pa rin adjustment sa mga staff. May kung hindi ko dapat kaya mo sila ito, for example, like kay guys, so dapat behave, secure mo nga sila. So dapat hindi mo lang lahat na magiging maldita ka or what. Dapat in a nice way ka, laging in a nice way. Management ka lang. Management training lang doon. So the rules, always the rules, follow the rules. Kung ma-follow mo yung rules na lahat, everything is in control.
So, we're avoiding ng micromanagement to your employees, Miss?
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Miss. Now, question number 4. What are your ways of motivating your employees?
Well, for motivation of the employees, madali lang yan eh. Sometimes, hindi naman perfect. Sometimes, kina-correct na. So, for first step na gagawin mo is explain the processing na pag hindi pa rin, minsan hindi naman perfect ang employees, so you need to correct. Diba? So kung i-correct mo na siya, hindi ibig sabihin na pinapagalitan mo siya. Kasi that's the part of motivation. Pag once, for example, ikaw, ba't yan naman ginawa ko? Dapat hindi ganyan. Lagi na lang ganyan. So you need to go like this, ganyan. Para ang motivation mo, hindi yan pinapagalitan. Para pina-encourage ka na. I-encourage ka para i-say ka, hindi pwedeng babayaan mo lang. Kasi kung babayaan mo yan, walang mangyayari. Diba? So, hindi perfect. Hindi magiging magandang ang result. So, that's the part of motivation. Basta isipin nyo lagi yan. Pag once pinapalitan kayo, pagsasabihan kayo na in charge or yung manager, huwag kayong igidip. Kasi that's part of your motivation. Kasi ang in charge na yung manager na yan, alam mo nang ginagawa niya yan. So, dapat after that kasi, pag na-realize mo yan, tama po yan. Then you will grow. That's a part of growing, I think. So, Lord.
So, question number 5. How do you train employees?
For me, because ako simple lang kulo ko yan. I treat the employees na parang ano lang, parang mga, for me kasi, because I'm the HR, parang friends, lang, parang cool lang. Wala lang, hindi yung may standard yun. Pero it depends yan sa situation. Equally, treat equally talaga. Pag alam naman na it's out of boundaries na, iba naman yun. So then, hindi mo sa employee ngayon. For now, iba yung mga staff ngayon. Pag pinagalitan mo, aalis yan. Alis agad yan Kasi pag sa isa ka staff naman, lagi mong pinag-iinitan na hindi na yun happy sa work. So, magkakaroon naman, wala na naman teamwork. So, iiba na yun. So, you have to balance it.
So, Miss, now question number 6. What do you do when an employee isn't performing well?
So, pag ganyan nangyayari, sit down the employee, talk to him or her, kung ano nangyayari, if something happened, or may family problem. Sometimes kasi ang situation ganyan. Sometimes, hindi perfect ang situation, ang kanyang work or kanyang performance, dahil sometimes may family problem. So, you have to sit down and talk to her or to him. Yeah, that's it. Para ma-resolve ang situation.
So, question number 7, Miss. Do you give employees a chance to grow or to get promoted?
Yeah, of course. Dapat. Para that's the, that's their, may term yun. Para i-promote mo sila. Kasi pag once na mayroon kang na-promote na, that's encouragement din sa other staff na I have to work harder para makita din na may potential ka rin nga in a position. So you have to encourage the ganun. Kasi for me, I started from the scratch, or started from as ordinary staff. Then until I reached this position. Ganun talaga. Normal lang yan.
So next question, Miss. How do you encourage teamwork among your staff?
Okay, for the staff, for the teamwork of the staff, dapat lagi open lagi lahat. Walang for example, if you are not confident or not happy, please inform your manager or in charge. For example, Miss, can I talk? You sit down to your in charge, talk to her or to him kung anong situation na feel mo hindi ka uneasy ka. Kaya hindi magkakaroon ng magandang teamwork if you're one of your staff or one of your co-employee nga hindi happy sa work. So, dapat lahat may harmony, may love, and desire sa pag-work. Kaya pagkakaroon ng teamwork. It's all the way. Simple lang.
Question number 9, Miss. Does your company have specific values or a culture that everyone follows?
Actually, for here in Cafe, wala mo siya actually because I'm the one who decide about that. Then my boss, I'll consult to my boss. Okay, boss, so far gusto on ganito. Okay. Pag alamin naman kasi it's good. Wala nang problema. Okay. Wala naman din. Thank you.
And last question, Miss, is how do managers and staff stay in touch and communicate openly? Before that kasi mag-open talaga. Lagi na naman kasi nang usap ng maayos. We have set-down meetings, mga ganyan. We set-down meetings kami for that. Open forum, kung anong mga situation, para okay lahat. And even though my boss, we have a sit-down meeting once a month, mag-require siya. Okay, we have a meeting. Pero siyempre mag-usap-usap kung what is the problem, anong mga nangyari buong sa restaurant, sa management. May bago, may old, or pang i-need i-upsell pa or i-improve. Ganyan lang kasimple sa cafe. So lahat dito, pag once na okay, may problema, sige, okay, ako na bahala. Then sit down, ako na bahala sa inyong simpleness. Ganyan lang kasimple ang teamwork. Dapat may mayroong pagkakaintindihan. Kaya kung wala kayong intindihan, walang mangyayari. Tapos dapat ang number 1 dito sa group, walang attitude problem. Kaya life lang yan Diba may fruits? For example, lahat ng tomato. Pag once may bulok, dapat itapon mo yan. Kaya pag hindi mo tapon, madadama yan. So that's it. So kailangan, pag mayroon ng ano, simpuin na agad. Pero wala nang ano. Parang teamwork yung go pa rin. So far naman, the cafe is 3 years na to going. Kaya business and business. 3 years na. Seniors.
That's it, Miss. Thank you, Miss, for your insight.
Okay. So, yun lang. Kasi yun. I hope you,
Yes.
satisfied my answer.
Yes.
Also. Okay?